Have you ever pondered over the legal strength of a registered document? The principle that a registered document carries a presumption of its genuineness is an intriguing aspect of law. Let's delve into it through a chronological journey of case laws. We begin in the year 2004, with the Apex Court's ruling in Bagat Ram versus Suresh. The court held that a document, once registered and endorsed with particulars as required by Sections 52 and 58 of the Registration Act, carries a presumption of its genuineness. This presumption is supported by reference to Section 114, Illustration E, of the Evidence Act. The principle was upheld and reiterated 15 years later, in the year 2019, in the case of Jamila Begum versus Shami Mohommed. The court's ruling was firm. A registered document carries with it a presumption that it was validly executed. If anyone wishes to challenge the genuineness of the transaction, the burden of proof lies with them. The person challenging the transaction must show that the document is not valid in law. Now, fast forward to the present year, 2023. The High Court of Kerala referenced these decisions in Ushakrishnan versus Tharammel Peethambaran. The court upheld the principle that a registered document carries a presumption of its genuineness, and the onus of proving otherwise lies with the person challenging the transaction. To summarize, the journey from Bagat Ram versus Suresh in 2004 to Ushakrishnan versus Tharammel Peethambaran in 2023 has consistently upheld the principle that a registered document carries a presumption of its genuineness. The burden of proof lies with the person challenging the transaction. This legal principle is a cornerstone of the Registration Act and the Evidence Act, providing a safeguard for transactions and protecting the rights of parties involved. The implications of these rulings are far-reaching, shaping the way transactions are conducted and disputes are resolved in the legal landscape. Remember, the law is not just about the black and white text in statutes and judgments. It's also about understanding the principles that underpin these laws and how they evolve over time through various case laws. So the next time you come across a registered document, remember the legal journey it carries with it and the presumption of genuineness it holds until proven otherwise.